Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are in the private security industry, you know how important trust and credibility are for success. But how can a private security company stand out as ethical, reliable, and professional? That's where ISO 18788 comes in. Today, we'll break down how this international standard helps enhance the reputation of private security companies and why it's a game changer for the industry. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly recap what ISO 18788 is. ISO 18788 is an international standard that provides a framework for private security companies to operate ethically, legally, and efficiently. It focuses on risk management and accountability, human rights protection, legal compliance, operational excellence by implementing ISO 18788. Security companies establish a structured, professional, and internationally recognized approach to their operations. So how does ISO 18788 enhance the reputation of private security companies? Let's break it down into 5 key ways. Proves ethical and responsible operations. Clients and stakeholders want to work with security companies that prioritize ethics and human rights. ISO 18788 ensures that companies operate responsibly, following strict guidelines on use of force, risk assessment, and compliance with human rights laws. Builds trust with clients and government. Government agencies, businesses, and international organizations prefer security companies that meet global best practices. ISO 18788 certification proves that a company meets high operational and ethical standards, making it a trusted partner. Reduces legal and compliance risk. Reputation can be destroyed by legal issues, unethical behavior, or security failures. ISO 18788 helps companies stay compliant with national and international laws, reducing the risk of lawsuits, contract losses, or regulatory penalties. Enhances business opportunities. Many large corporations and governments require ISO 18788 certification before awarding contracts. Being certified gives security companies a competitive edge, opening doors to high-value contracts and international partnerships. Improves internal operations and accountability. A good reputation isn't just about external perception, it starts internally. ISO 18788 helps companies establish clear policies, better training programs, and strong accountability measures, leading to higher professionalism and efficiency. So if you are in the private security industry and looking to elevate your reputation, win more contracts, and demonstrate professionalism, then ISO 18788 is a must. What are your thoughts on ISO 18788? Have you seen it make a difference in the security industry? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on security industry best practices. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.